In this lesson, we will find distances between pairs of points using the distance formula. The distance formula comes from the Pythagorean theorem. If we have 2 points called x1, y1, and x2, y2, then the distance d between them is d equals the square root of, open parenthesis, x2 minus x1, close parenthesis, squared, plus, open parenthesis, y2 minus y1, close parenthesis, squared. We will apply this to 4 examples, and we will also visualize delta x and delta y on a coordinate plane for intuition. Example 1. Find the distance between -4,5 and 6,6. We will plot the 2 points and draw the distance segment. Then we will show delta x and delta y as the legs of a right triangle. Here, delta x is 6 minus -4, which is 10, and delta y is 6 minus 5, which is 1. Now we substitute into the distance formula. The distance equals the square root of 10 squared plus 1 squared. That is the square root of 100 plus 1, which is the square root of 101, approximately 10.05. Example 2. Find the distance between 2,2 and 2,3. These points are stacked vertically. Delta x is 0 and delta y is 1, so the distance should be exactly 1. Using the formula, the distance equals the square root of 0 squared plus 1 squared, which is 1. Example 3. Find the distance between 0,1 and 2,3. We plot the points and draw the distance segment. Here, delta x equals 2 minus 0, which is 2, and delta y equals 3 minus 1, which is 2. Using the distance formula, square root of 2 squared plus 2 squared. That equals the square root of 8, which simplifies to 2 times the square root of 2, approximately 2.83. Example 4.